Hey everybody, welcome to It's Just Food with Mike. I'm Mike. I'm making my wife's famous banana bread recipe I've never made before. I mean, it's famous in our family. Everyone wants the recipe. I'm giving it to the whole world now. I've never made it, so we're going to get into it together. What we need is, and I have to read this out because I don't know it, 3 to 4 bananas. I've already got them broken in half. 3 to 4 ripe bananas, half a cup of melted butter, 1 cup of sugar, 1.5 cups of flour, 1 egg beaten, a teaspoon of vanilla, a teaspoon of baking soda, and a pinch of salt. So I'm going to mash these with a potato masher. She said she uses a wooden spoon. I said, why would you use a spoon when I got a potato masher we could just use? So I'm going to get all smashy with this. I try to simplify things for myself. Let her struggle. Okay, so do this. She said to add the butter to the bananas and mash it all together. Get it all in there. She's making a mashing face right now. Get in there. Sounds squishy. Okay. Then you just dump everything else in. Cup of sugar. A cup and a half of flour. She's saying not the flour. It's going in. I don't care.
I said read the instructions, honey.
I don't read instructions. Okay. I'm going to add a teaspoon of baking soda. Teaspoon of vanilla. Pinch of salt. Forgot the salt. Raw. Mix it all together. I can stop using this now. I don't need that anymore. And I got to add the egg. I forgot the egg. She's yelling at me with her face and eyes. Mix it all up. Just want to bring it together, I assume, into a batter, a dough, some sort. Never made this before. Never made banana bread in my life, but I like hers. It's really good. Okay. Looks good to me. So now, scrape all this off. We want to save all of it. You can say I didn't plan this one out at all. That's okay. Okay, spray out a loaf pan.
Read the instructions to them, honey, so that they know the order of things. Even though you didn't.
I will. And we just put it in 350-degree oven for at least an hour. Get all that stuff out of there. You want to save all that. You're paying for this batter. You might as well save it and use it. It's definitely not a bread consistency. This is a quick bread. What would be classified as a quick bread. You see how quickly that came together. Uncovered, 350-degree oven for at least 1 hour. Check it now. It's been an hour. I check it with a toothpick. Stick it right in the middle of it. It comes out clean. It's done. There we go. I let it sit for a little bit because if you cut right into it right now, it'll just be kind of gummy and gross. All right, so here we go. I took it out of the pan that it was in and put it in this roasting rack here just to cool it off a little quicker. Let's cut it open and see. Yeah, it's cooked all the way through. A little butter. I like butter on mine. Taste it. I got to test this because I have never made banana bread before. I'm telling you, it was really easy. Oh, yeah. Yeah. So you can do it the way I did it, or you can do it the way my wife does it. She doesn't put the flour in until after everything else is mixed up. Doesn't really make a difference. Came out the same. Really good recipe. I'm going to read you the ingredients one more time. 3 to 4 bananas, ripe ones, 1/3 cup butter, 1 cup sugar, 1 egg beaten, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, pinch of salt, and 1.5 cups of flour. In the oven for 1 hour. 350 for 1 hour. So that's it. I like trying new things, even though I don't really care for baking all that much. I said, why not make a video about it and share this? Because everybody wants this recipe once they taste her bread. So if you like the video, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, share with your friends, get the word out, and try this recipe. It's really good, really easy. I'm not a big banana bread fan, and sometimes she'll put chocolate chips in it. That was my idea. We didn't have any chocolate chips, or I would have done that. But yeah, really good recipe. Check it out. I'll see you all next time. Have an awesome day.